As we make choices, we take advantage of some opportunities and inherently leave others behind. That can be an unpleasant experience. While freedom of choice is something we value greatly, several recent lines of research suggest that there is such a thing as too much freedom of choice. In fact, when people are given too many options, they often report being less satisfied with the outcome. Some refer to this as analysis paralysis. Consider this study by Jack Brem. The study starts with participants viewing a selection of 6 posters of famous paintings. The participants' task is simply to rank these posters from their most favorite to least favorite. After the participants rank the posters and fill out a questionnaire, the experimenter offers them one of the paints as a gift. But there are 2 posters that are offered as a choice, that only one of them would be picked as a gift. And those are the 3rd favorite and their 4th favorite. As you would expect, most people pick the poster that was their 3rd favorite. The participants are sent home and, after a delay of a few days, they are asked to come back to the lab again and re-rank the posters. Something very consistent happens. The poster that they picked the 3rd favorite moves up in the rankings. The poster that was not picked drops in the rankings, from 4th down to 5th place. In other words, once you decide on some option, your brain shifts its future preferences to perceive whatever you have chosen as being more positive. Whatever options you specifically have not chosen seem to decline in positivity. If you want to be happier with the decisions you make, then you should make them firmly, and then stick with them. If 2 choices seem to involve the same risks, benefits, positives, and negatives, then greater satisfaction can be obtained by confidently staying with one selection.